I'm going to show you exactly how to create a professional resume in Canva from scratch using customizable templates. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to pick a template, customize it, and make a polished resume ready to impress hiring managers. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's dive in. First, head over to your Canva account. In the search bar, type resume along with the job role or field you're applying for, then hit enter. Canva will display a variety of templates to choose from. When selecting the right template, consider the type of role you're applying for. For creative roles like designer, editor, or content creator, look for templates with colors, creative layouts, or visual elements to make your resume stand out. For corporate or administrative roles such as HR, accountant, or manager positions, choose subtle, clean, and professional templates with minimal colors and simple layouts. Entry-level applicants or students should pick templates that clearly highlight skills, education, and projects, while freelancers or consultants may want templates that showcase portfolios or work samples alongside their contact information and experience. Once you find a template you like, click on it and select Customize this template. Inside the editor, you can start customizing your resume. If you want to change the overall theme, go to the Design panel on the left-hand side, type any color or theme you want in the search bar, and click it to apply it to your design. Next, update the individual elements. To replace the photo, go to Uploads, drag your image onto the existing photo, and Canva will automatically snap it into place. To edit text, simply double-click on it. And if you want a different font style, explore Canva's free font library and pick one that matches your style and the type of resume you're creating. When your resume is ready, click Share in the top right corner, then select Download. Choose either PDF Standard or PDF Print for the best quality. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You've now created a professional, eye-catching resume in Canva that's ready to help you land your dream job. This method is fast, efficient, and perfect for anyone looking to make a strong impression. To explore more Canva tricks, you can also check out the free 20-minute masterclass for beginners, which provides step-by-step lessons to help you master Canva even if you're just starting out. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.